Ready? Will the real Santa Claus please stand up? Everyone came to the Christmas party dressed as Santa Claus. There was a prize for the best Santa Claus. Some of the Santas had reindeer. Some of the Santas didn't. There was no prize for the best reindeer. There was a Christmas tree. Everyone was going to help trim it, but there was a lot of noise. Dancer bit Comet, Prancer bit Dancer, and Dancer bit his own tail. All the reindeer barked and all the Santas yelled. All except one Santa. He was trimming the tree. Someone's behind.
Mom.
What a big kid, a little Santa said to the others. Who is he? I don't know, said a girl Santa, but he's put presents under the tree. He'll get the prize, said the other Santas. He's the best. 1 minute, the big Santa was putting the star on the tree. The next minute, he was gone. And their reindeer, there's a pronoun. He was gone. And their reindeer were just at the door. Did that Santa call our reindeer a little Santa ass?
Ass? He called him a little Santa ass. Oh, I thought he called him a little Santa ass. Hey, Santa ass. Hey, whoa, yo.
I'm going to do that one again. Did that Santa call our reindeer a little Santa ass?
The Santa called the reindeer a little Santa ass. Okay, continue.
Where did he go? Another Santa wondered. What are those bells? And they ran outside. Their reindeer sat